Hey guys, so the trip is about to start. Literally, I just got to class because as crazy as it sounds, I have class on Saturday mornings. Isn't that so fun? Anyway, so I'm here now in class. Everyone's here. I'll do like a quick pan and show you guys. And then when we get in the car, we're about to get in the car, I'll show you too. I'm really trying to do this vlog thing, so wish me luck, guys. Just wish me luck. Say hi.
Hi.
Lorenzo.
Amazing.
Susanna. Lily.
Lorenzo.
Paola.
Lorenzo doesn't say hi, he say amazing.
Hello.
Hi.
Valentina.
Said hello, not hi.
Yeah. So suitcase is over there. Because we're all going.
Yeah, exactly.
Everyone has their luggage here. Bruna and I being the divas that we are, we have large luggage. I think we're the only ones that have large luggage.
Oh, and
Yet another pit stop at Vaughn's. Don't know if you can see it in the back. Valentina and I are just waiting in the car while everyone goes to get what they need, and then we're gonna keep the journey going. Super tired, guys. Super tired. It's crazy. But you know.
Luisa? Here. Susanna? Here. Matteo? Here. Paula? Here. Valentina? Me. Bruna? Me. Taje?
Here!
Anushka? Yeah.
let's go!
Cha-cha when you see him. It's okay, he's already in my DM.
Some grocery shopping. I'm trying to find where my cart is. It's with one of my friends, Paola, and she's disappeared. But we gotta stock up on the alcohol. Yeah, such a pretty bottle. Wow. Aww.
Like, you know, when you drive, you can just drink it.
And then you get stopped by the cops. Then what happens?
What did we buy, girls?
Breakfast and drinks.
I think that's enough, right? For 3 days? I mean, 2 days and a half. Oh my god.
Jemima? Jemima. Jemima.
Okay. So cute, guys. Oh my gosh. So cute. Yeah! The fire pit? What? Oh, snap. I'm gonna do a better video in the morning, obviously. So you guys can see just how fucking gorgeous this is. Oh, so cute. So cute. Sitting area. Bathroom. And bedroom. Again. Gorgeous. Obviously, this is gonna be my room. Obviously. So cute. I just put my shopping over there, so just ignore that. This is the bathroom. This is the sink area. It's so cute. Absolutely love the flower. I think you can tell that they just took, you know, they just cared and like took. So cute. I mean, cotton pads and earbuds and cotton wool. How cute is that? I'm sure you guys want to look at, but I look too tired to show you. I'm sorry. Gorgeous, right? Guys, I feel like I'm doing too much. Am I doing too much? So gorgeous. I mean, I might post some details in the description bar if you guys like it. Really love these bathroom details. I mean, come on, so cute, right? So cute. Love the detailing.
So
this is our living area.
About 45 minutes to heat up. So.
Okay, so I'll start now.
Dining table, laundry, which I think is just perfect, and a little kitchen area, which we'll figure out. Just outside of my bedroom. See? So freaking gorgeous. How cute is our host, guys? How cute is our host, guys? The seating areas. So gorgeous. I'm gonna put my host details in the description box below, so you guys can come here if you're ever in the San Diego area. Got it? She's so nice, so cute, and very friendly. Oh my God, you guys come in. It's so good. Somebody else gets me frustrated. Yeah, so the sun is insane this morning, but ready? We're all ready. Valentina's trying to do like a photo shoot over here. And that's Louisa, the photographer of life and time. She takes the best photos. I think most of my Instagram photos from this trip is going to be Louisa, so just look out for them. So we are at La Jolla Cove, La Jolla Beach. It's very windy today though, so which we didn't expect, so that's a bit annoying. But apart from that, it is pretty damn gorgeous. So gorgeous. But yeah, we're here. Everyone's in front of me. So I've been making videos for you guys. Great. guys. And there's a wedding right there on the beach. Right there. Craziness. I don't want to be rude and move any closer than I am right now, but pretty darn cool. Coffee shop break. Walking in pairs, so cute. And I'm just here like me, myself, and I. You guys, I must really love you guys, because holding a camera up in the air to make these videos, selfie mode, because I don't have those little tripod things. And so we're about to have dinner on the strip. Yeah, there's like loads of like little cute restaurants. So pretty here. Oh my god, you guys. Our food came in like half a second.
Like 5 minutes.
Thank you.
For me some cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah.
So we're back home. It's wigless night tonight, guys. This is what you're gonna see all night, okay? Because I'm tired. I'm tired. And my bingoings, I have been dancing because I'm so tired. Yeah? Alright. Anyway, so back home and gonna get into the jacuzzi. As you can see, I'm giving you a little bit of jacuzzi favor. Jacuzzi favor. Jacuzzi favor. I don't even think I'm allowed to show this much. But yeah. So I'm going into the jacuzzi. So come on down with me. Let's go. A wig night. You guys, I think the best part about having friends is
Getting drunk together.
is that they just get used to you and then they get to understand you. Like now, the fact that I don't have hair on my head doesn't bother anyone. Matter of fact, they're just like, oh, it's Taje.
Like we didn't even.
Like no one even realized.
Yeah.
It's that beautiful, guys.
About that.
Get you real friends, guys.
Honestly.
I help.
Bye, jacuzzi. Bye, little cute sitting area. Bye, view.
Slay, Bruna, Portugal.
Everyone here is like wearing like rainbow colored clothes. The buildings have rainbows on them. can't explain this. San Diego is absolutely beautiful. It's so breathtaking. Quite possibly, I know that I know that I haven't seen enough of LA just yet. You know, a lot of LA is really quite beautiful, but you can't compare. There's just like a sense of serenity and peace out here in San Diego. Like, it's just so peaceful, you know, and everyone just kind of looks out for each other. And it's such a community, you know? It's absolutely gorgeous out here.